What's going on, guys? Robby Blanchard here, and I want to give you a free copy of this book right here. So this book is the $26 million case study, and essentially what that means is in this book, we showcase how 1,015 people from all over the world, from all different walks of life, were able to collectively generate $26 million in a single year using a simple 3-step system, guys. And the best part about this is you can do it from home. You don't have to have a lot of experience to make it happen, and they were able to do it without their own product, without an email list, or even a website, guys. And so this is super exciting, and you really want to get a copy of this for yourself and dig into it, because you're going to see exactly how they're able to do it and how you potentially can do it too, guys. So this is what I want you to do right now. On this page, go ahead and enter your email and get a free copy of this book. It'll get delivered directly to your inbox. And on the next page, we're going to share with you exactly how they're able to do it step by step so that you can replicate their success for your own success this year. Because let's face it, 2021 can absolutely be the biggest opportunity to start an online business, and you need to get this case study to find out exactly how to do it. So go ahead, enter your email, get the case study, and I'll see you on the next page.